Okay guys, I'm gonna start this clearing process. Here's my puppies. Hey guys. Where's everybody hiding? So the idea is to clear this entire tree line. So that it opens up the properties widthwise, you know, east to west. I have some lines running down this pathway that feed from that array down there, that solar array. I don't want this guy to destroy. Oh, I guess the tree's coming down. That's that. Look at that root. That's a big mound. Clear all the way from the tree line up there back down to here. And then walk it out up to about about here, so that I can open this up as a new egress point, ingress, egress. all this will be cleared, flattened, root raked, and available. I think it should work out pretty nice. But we will see. More later.